Hey everyone, it's Eric from MAPerformance.com. Today we're going to have a look at Torque Solutions engine, transmission, and pendulum mount kit with the street insert for the 2009 to 2014 Volkswagen models with the transverse mounted 2.0 TSI engine. Torque Solution mounts are made from high-grade billet aluminum material. The OEM mount is prone to cracking and is known to fail, leaving fluid all over the engine. Tighten up your driveline and allow the car to put more power to the ground, all while eliminating wheel hop and traction loss. The OEM engine mounts are weak, so let's see a before and after on our own GTI. As you can see, these really make a difference. And that wraps up our video about the Torque Solution mount kit for Volkswagen models. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and pick up yours today at MAPerformance.com.